The Prophet ﷺ said, Khalid has devoted his armors in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet ﷺ, while he was in a tent, said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I submit your own covenant and your promise to you. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if you will that the believers may be defeated, you will never be worshipped after today. Hazrat Abu Bakr clutched his hand and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is enough on your part. You have submitted your petition to your Lord. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, clad in his armor, came out saying, Now this multitude is being driven out and they will turn their backs. Nay, rather the hour is their promise and the hour is the hardest and bitterest. Wahib said, Hazrat Khalid told us that it was the day of Ghazwa Badr. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2915.